They back at it again with a 2017 BMW 530. So the crack is like right here. This is where the crack is. Let's see. On the bottom, got this little section right here. So we gotta prepare from. We gotta plastic stitch it, plastic wood or whatnot. Repair that section, and then from the inside we gotta do the same thing. What has to happen? We have to take these. I believe that's a 8mm. Gotta take those out for the cover, and then so I can get access to the inside of the bumper, the rear bumper cover. So let's get to it. Alright, we got the rear bumper cover off, removed, the whatnot. It was a pain trying to get this bumper cover off. It was a pain trying to get it off because you got all of these tabs or whatnot. You gotta make sure you don't break them. All these, you gotta make sure you don't break them. Not gonna lie, I broke. these broke right here. This little section right here, little strip broke. But I discovered that this is mangled. So in the beginning, I thought this bottom strip was separate. That was just like a separate little unit. But that is actually this whole piece right here that goes on the reinforcement bar. So you got these clips, like that one's missing, that one's missing, and you got, so basically in total you got four clips, one there, one there, one there, one there. So that's a total of 4 clips. She's holding this whole little inner piece for the sensors or whatnot. So I'm about to remove that. Got to order that straight from the dealer. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is the piece that needs to be replaced. So this is the piece that's that broke off, that goes right here. Let's see. So I thought it was cracked a little bit just from this little impact that it had, but when I took it off, all this fell out basically. So it was just some crumbles. So that's the inside of the bumper cover. So we're about to get ready to repair that first, the inside, then we can focus on the outer appearance of it, stitching it. So we gotta stitch both sides. Let's do it. so we got our piece that goes on the rebar that hooks up to the rear bumper cover. So let's install it. Alrighty, so BMW decided to make a magic wand for their sensors. I believe this is sensor. There's two of them. Got this strip right here. So got that, and then you got this whole module. Alrighty, we got the rear bumper cover installed. So right now I'm about to just polish the bumper right quick, just clean it up, and then I'm gonna get ready to take the this car to the car wash and get it cleaned up.